Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question number 35 from CBSE grade 10 standard math 2026 board paper. Question paper code is 30/1/3. Question number 35 part A. A faster train takes 1 hour less than a slower train for a journey of 200 kilometers. If the speed of the slower train is 10 km per hour less than that of the faster train, find the speeds of the two trains. In this question, there is a mention of two trains. One is a faster train and the other one is a slower train. Let the speed of the faster train be equal to x. The speed of the slower train is 10 km per hour less. So x minus 10 km per hour. In both the cases, the distance traveled is 200 kilometers. The time taken for the faster train TF is equal to distance upon speed, and let's name the time taken as TS for the slower train, which is 200 upon x minus 10. The very first part of the question compares the time of the two trains. The faster train takes 1 hour less than the slow train. That is TS minus TF is equal to 1. 200 upon x minus 10 minus 200 upon x is equal to 1. Taking 200 common, we are left with 1 by x minus 10 minus 1 by x inside the bracket, which is equal to 1. 200 times x minus x plus 10 upon x times x minus 10 equal to 1. The x gets cancelled. 2000 is equal to x into x minus 10 is taken on the other side, that is x square minus 10x minus 2000 is equal to 0. For minus 2000, let's take the two factors as minus 50 and plus 40. The product of minus 50 and plus 40 gives minus 2000, and the sum of these two gives the coefficient of the middle term, which is minus 10. Rewriting the equation, x square minus 50x plus 40x minus 2000 equal to 0. X minus 50 times x plus 40 is equal to 0, which means x is equal to 50 and x is equal to minus 40. This stays invalid as speed cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equal to 50, which means the speed of the faster train is 50 km per hour. Speed of the slower train is x minus 10, that is 40 km per hour. The part B of the question, the sum of the areas of two squares is 640 meters square. If the difference in their perimeters is 64 meter, find the sides of the two squares. Let the sides of the squares be A meters and B meters. The sum of the areas of the square is 640 meters square, that is A square plus B square is equal to 640 meters square. If the difference in their perimeters 4A minus 4B is 64. Let's divide this equation by 4. A minus B is equal to 16. Squaring on both sides, A minus B the whole square is equal to 16 square, which is A square plus B square minus 2AB equal to 256. A square plus B square is 640. So 640 minus 2AB is 256 and AB is 192. From this, let's get B in terms of A. B is 192 upon A. Substituting this in the first equation, instead of B, let's write 192 upon A the whole square, which is equal to 640. Right? A power 4 minus 640 A square plus 36,864 is equal to 0. And this is the equation that we have got based on the given scenario. The degree of A is 4, which means we should get 4 solutions for this equation. To make the solving simpler, let's assign A square as m. So rewriting the equation with m square minus 640m plus 36,864 equal to 0. For 36,864, we can take the two factors as minus 576 and minus 64. The sum of these two will give minus 640. Rewriting the equation, we get m square minus 576m minus 64m plus 36,864 equal to 0. M minus 576 into m minus 64 is equal to 0, which means m is 576 and m is 64. So from this, let's get the values for a. A square is equal to m, that is a square is equal to 576. A is plus or minus 24. The same way, a square is equal to 64. So a is plus or minus 8. So there are four values for a: plus 24, minus 24, plus 8 and minus 8. The negative values are getting invalid since a is representing the side of the square. So the sides of the squares are 8 meter and 24 meter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.